Third Adhyay. If we follow third Adhyay, there are 46 slokas in third Adhyay, and the name of the third Adhyay is Kalki, Vidya and Borders. If we read this Adhyay, you will read Mahabhav. Fourth Adhyay, there are 45 slokas of fourth Adhyay, and the name of fourth Adhyay is Haro Borodan. If we follow the fourth Adhyay, that Bhakti and Gyan, we will acquire Bhakti and Gyan. Fifth Adhyay, there are 30 slokas in fifth Adhyay of Kalki Puran, and the name of fifth Adhyay is Rajanya Varga Naritya Prakta. If we read this Adhyay, the distress will be destroyed. Number 6th Adhyay of Kalki Puran. Kalki Puran 6th Adhyay name is Sukha-Pakshi Sambhad, and there are 40 slokas, and if you read it, you will take Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. 7th Adhyay. The name of that 7th Adhyay of Kalki Puran is Shivokta Hari Archan. There are 30 slokas of this Adhyay, and it destroys the bhavatas if you read it. Next, 8th Adhyay. There are 46 slokas in 8th Adhyay of Kalki Puran, and the name of that Adhyay is Kalki Singhal Jatra. If we read it, you will gain Punna. 9th Adhyay. There are 33 slokas of that 9th Adhyay of Kalki Puran. The name is Kalki Padmavati Sambhad. And you will read it, your Abhilash will be full. 10th Adhyay. The 10th Adhyay of Kalki Puran's name is Rajanya Varga Kalki Stuti. There are 31 slokas of that, and if you read, you will get peace. 11th Adhyay of Kalki Puran. There are 56 slokas in 11th Adhyay, and the name of Ananta Maya. You will get Dharma. 12th Adhyay. The name of that Ananta Maya Nivaran, and there are 44 slokas of that. And if you read it, your Ripu, that means enemy, will be finished. 13th Adhyay. There are 35 slokas of 13th Adhyay Kalki Puran. The name is Kikatpur Gaman. And if you read it, you will be peace. You will get peace. 14th Adhyay, there are 48 slokas of this Adhyay. The name is Buddha Juddho. And if you read it, your sign will be finished. 15th Adhyay.